Morning everyone, it's Ryan's Adventures. This is the first video of my training schedule, my training journal. So to the London Marathon, so 364 days until the London Marathon next year. So I'm going to start it today. So come along with me. I'm going to use my GoPro, so you're going to see the journey on that and hear me speaking. And then I'll speak to you in a bit. Come and join me. Thanks for joining me. So here we go. So I'm just going to do a silly run today. No sort of big run, just a slow run. Let's get my legs started again. It's just a gradual jog really. Today it's not going to be very far, but might be a bit of walking maybe. It depends how I feel. You have to always make sure you stretch. I did already. We'll get going in a second. I'm really unfit, but it's all part of it. Right, let's try again. Yeah, I'm not. Hopefully, we'll come a long way by the time we get to London. Hopefully I'll be fine, but for now let's try again. I've not got any gels on me today because I'm not going very far. Sorry about my voice. It's not very far, but it's far enough. Someone hasn't run before for a long time. Probably won't even do a mile, I don't think, this run. I'll do the same tomorrow. Build myself up. Yeah, I'm unfit, but I will get about. It takes time. That's 5k people do it the same way, walk around at the beginning. stopped it and started a couple of times. The camera goes at people and stuff. So German Shepherd back there. Right, let's keep going for the last bit. Back home. So, first jog complete. Hope the video footage was okay. A bit tired, can do some stretching now. I am very unfit. Hopefully these videos will get a lot better. It's only, I don't know how far it was, I'll just check. I'm not sure. 1.3 miles, which is nothing really. But as you can tell, I'm really out of breath. Thanks for joining Rant's Adventures on this first video. And I'll see you again soon. Keep on running. That's my new motto, keep on running. So that was the first run. It was okay, but I'm very tired from it. Breathing's a little bit steep as well. I used to have asthma as a child, so I have to try and cope with that. I'm very unfit. It's really unfit. So I'm just gonna, follow you for the next video.